everybody, Joe Workman here, and today I'm really excited to show you the new QR coder stack. Now, if you've been around the world, you've probably recognized one of these. This is a QR code, and this allows easy access to people on the go to quickly navigate to whatever you want. A URL, a contact card, GPS location, Wi-Fi access, all kinds of stuff. Now, you might be wondering, how do I actually use one of these? So, I'm glad you asked. You have a QR code. You also have a phone. All you do is you point your phone at the QR code and tap on the little bubble that opens up, and voila, it takes you directly to the website, calls a telephone number, sends a text message, sends an email, all kinds of actions you can perform with the QR coder stack. Let's jump on in and have a look. So the QR coder stack allows you to, again, generate QR codes super easily and embed them on your web pages. Now, these QR codes are done on the fly. They are generated as SVG images. So this ensures clarity across all of your devices. So when you add a QR coder stack onto the page, you'll see that we have several different types of data that we can add to the stack. The default is a URL. As you see, we can also add calendar events, download and install a contact vCard directly on the user's device, send an email, locate the user or send the user to a GPS location, send an SMS text message, call a telephone number, send text to the device. Commonly, this is used for Google search, but depending on the device and what app you're using, this is just generic text. Next is a URL, which we've already discussed. And lastly is access to a Wi-Fi network. And all you need to do is pick the type of data that you want, fill out the required data here to populate the QR code, specify whether or not you want to link to that data. So linking to data is important because if you want to have a QR code on a device, maybe you also want to give the ability for the user to tap on that data. And supported data types will support linking in this fashion. Next, we added Total CMS support so that you can actually use Total CMS macros in the text fields within the QR code so that your users can actually update their QR codes directly from Total CMS. And lastly, in QR code styles, we have the ability to align your QR code, define your default sizes, as well as define colors. The background color is, in this aspect, the white portion. And then the top color here is the actual digits of the QR code. So this way you can actually color code, maybe match the theme of your website or your brand. And there we go. So as you see, QR coder is really super easy to use. Just plop in the data that you want and it magically creates a QR code dynamically on your website. That's an SVG. You can style the color, customize all that you want, and it will work beautifully across all devices. I hope you enjoy it. Go forth and make your websites great.